How does an anti-snoring device improve nasal snoring and obstructive sleep apnea? In cases of obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, the airway collapses during sleep, leading to interrupted airflow. This can cause loud snoring, a feeling of suffocation, and even dangerous breathing pauses. An anti-snoring device gently pulls the jaw forward, preventing the tongue from falling back and blocking the airway, thus keeping it open. These devices can be custom-made for comfort and no surgery is required. Using an anti-snoring device can reduce snoring, improve blood oxygen levels, and ensure a good night's sleep for you and your partner. A small change can lead to significant improvements.